Thanks for jumping back once again to the Crypto Boy channel, and I welcome you all to the series, the Daily Technical Analysis. So 2 days ago on 29th May, I uploaded this video about Cardano. I want you to watch it first, then we can start that. So we can expect sooner there will be some hope in the market. So if you are going to pile up the Cardano coin, this is the place you should be looking at because it is the golden pocket and it is already significantly like 0.44. It's so this was what I told you about Cardano and much more things, and I also did this analysis on the Cardano in the same video, and I told you that this was a falling wedge that you need to capture. I also updated about it on my Twitter, so those of you who were following on my Twitter, they also saw that video there. That was the exact moment I took the screenshot when Cardano was breaking out, and I gave you this massive signal alert. As well on Twitter, I'm sharing other than these things. So I shared this Bitcoin is ready, it's gonna break this time about target 1, 2 and 3, and you see what happened just the next day. So that was the target 1 that hit, and today the target 3 was also hit by Bitcoin. You can see it here. I keep updating these things on my Twitter, so if you are following me on Twitter, you must want to follow me. That's my username. Okay, so let's jump back into the video and continue our analysis on Cardano. So what basically happened for Cardano was this, that I told you that this wedge is acting as a resistance currently for Cardano. If it breaks out of this place, it might go insane on this 1 hourly time frame. So it broke out of this place. So this place, which was the last support, you can see here 1, 2, 3 and 3 touch points, and it was confirmed resistance by a retest when it went below that. So that just became a break of structure. I would say it's a break of structure here. If you have read that formula about the consolidation and expansion theory, that also is perfect on at this place. I told you that there was some liquidity and these people wanted to hit some kind of stop losses on that point. However, their intentions were to take the Cardano to the upside, and that's exactly what happened. That was a resistance line, the major resistance line that I was looking onto, and I wanted that to somehow get neutralized, which is, by the way, now neutralized for Cardano. So if you missed the entry, well, bad luck for you. You already missed so much of profit, but still stick to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you, for those who missed the entry, how they can enter this massive 48% move in Cardano in just 2 days. That was a hell of a move. That was a very great move. Cardano is famous for such moves. This is nothing new to be surprised about. Okay, so what can happen now with Cardano? What is this? First of all, this move, this is indicating a recovery, and you see this surge in volume. This is, I have never seen in any of those coins recovering. This is the highest volume candle that shows the recovery. That means Cardano is completely on a bullish move. However, there will be still some things that we need to take care of. First of all, talking about this structure is broken to the upside. What I want now from Cardano is I want a retest at this place. I want Cardano to go here, retest this as a support so that I can write support here. I'm not going to write support right now because it's not retesting. And then I want a move to the upside. We can calculate the move later on. However, let's jump to the bigger time frame and see a bigger picture. So there you go. Let me just delete this for you. Okay, so to for the things to get bullish, there is something very very significant you need to keep your eye on. Is this level. Let me just stretch it for you. Now let me just contract it back for you guys. So this is the level that would act as a resistance here. Now you see the similarity here. You see this pattern. This was completely bullish pattern, and this was a break of structure. Now you zoom it out a bit, you see the same structure. You see this green line, and you see this green line as support. This was also support, and here there was a break of structure and things went opposite. So if you zoom it out, you see there was a support line, so that would be a break of structure if it goes above this. So that would be a break of structure, and the same thing would happen on a higher scale. So this is the concerning point. If it crosses this place like 0.91, which was a key support level for Cardano in this bull run when it fell down. So if it flips over this place, then that would be a new higher high, let's say, for a shorter term on this time frame, 1 hourly time frame. So we want the higher highs and the higher lows. So this is a good move. It's at least a good move for the start. However, do not get excited into the green candles. You never do that, no matter what. You see these green candles in the bear market as well. You don't have to be fascinated with them. So what you need to plan out your own strategy. See the good support levels, such as this one or this one, then take your and manage your entries. Okay, so let me see if I can find something else. What if we draw this? I mean, in analysis, people usually consider this, and they usually trade on these 2 touch points as well. Sometimes I also do that, but it's not much significant. Well, I think it should be considered as that. Okay, this could be a breakout. Let's say this could happen. Actually, there is a higher chance of this happening as well, because this seems to be some kind of retest on this place as well. Let me just check it out. Yes, this place, this whole place, it has major 3 confluences. You can see that first, this is 200 moving average on 4-hour time frame, and Cardano is taking a support on that, and this previous resistance flipped, becoming into support. And if you consider this trend line, it is also being broken and being retested. So if you are planning to take an entry, you can wait for this 4-hour candle to close on this place, and you can manage your risk if you want to take entry. However, I'm not saying that you should take entry. It's completely your personal choice, not a financial advice. So what will be the target if you take this entry? Definitely this is going to be a target. You're gonna close it here, you want to close it here necessarily, and if it flips over that, and you can continue a swing trade as well. If you want to scalp, you can close it here. So I think that will be it for the Cardano. A very good move, and happy trading. So if you are liking the content and you want more updates on the content, please let me know in the comment section and smash up the like button. See you in the next video.